A is for apple, red and sweet, a tasty snack we love to eat. B is for ball, we throw and play, bounce it high all through the day. C is for cat, soft and sly, she climbs the couch and blinks her eye. D is for dog, who wags his tail, he chases sticks and loves the trail. E is for elephant, big and loud, with a trunk so long, he stands so proud. F is for fish, swimming so free in the water, as happy as can be. G is for goat, who climbs a hill, he munches grass and stands so still. H is for hat, on top of your head, worn in sun or when it's bed. I is for ice cream, creamy and cold, in a cone or cup, it's pure gold. J is for jelly, jiggly and bright, wiggles around, oh what a sight. K is for kite, flying up high, soaring and twirling in the sky. L is for lion, loud with a roar, he's the king we all adore. M is for monkey, swinging in trees, he loves bananas and climbs with ease. N is for nest, where baby birds sleep, up in the branches, quiet and deep. O is for owl, who hoots at night, with big round eyes and silent flight. P is for penguin, waddling slow, sliding on ice and loving the snow. Q is for queen, wearing her crown, smiling and waving all around town. R is for rainbow, colors so bright, red, green, and blue. What a sight! S is for sun, warm and round, it shines above without a sound. T is for tiger, fast and strong, he runs through the jungle all day long. U is for umbrella on rainy days, it keeps us dry in splashy ways. V is for violin, sweet and clear, playing music for all to hear. W is for whale, big and blue, swimming deep in the ocean too. X is for xylophone, ding ding ding, tap the bars and hear it sing. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around, up and down, it won't touch the ground. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white, he gallops around from morning to night. G, A, B, C, and now we're through. Singing is fun for me and you.